A reliable DDR5 RAM review helps you compare speed, latency, compatibility, and value, ensuring smoother multitasking, gaming, and future-ready PC performance. My today's video is about top 5 best DDR5 RAM review that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at crucial 32GB DDR5 RAM kit. This 32GB 2x16GB DDR5 SODIMM memory kit is an excellent upgrade for laptop users seeking faster performance, smoother multitasking, and improved gaming responsiveness. With support for speeds up to 5600 MHz while remaining backward compatible with 5200 MHz and 4800 MHz systems, it automatically adapts to your laptop for reliable performance. The dual-channel configuration enhances bandwidth, helping demanding applications, content creation, and modern games run more efficiently with quicker load times and better frame rates. Compatibility with 12th Gen Intel Core and AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors, along with Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD Expo support, ensures broad platform flexibility and optimized memory tuning. Built with Micron's decades of memory expertise, this kit undergoes rigorous testing for long-term stability and dependable operation. Its low 1.1V power requirement also contributes to better energy efficiency without sacrificing speed. Overall, this DDR5 laptop RAM delivers an ideal combination of performance, compatibility, reliability, and value for users upgrading their portable systems. Now our second product is Corsair Vengeance RGB RS DDR5 RAM 32GB. This 32GB DDR5 memory kit delivers an excellent blend of speed, stability, and premium aesthetics for gaming and high-performance PC builds. Rated for speeds up to 6,000 metric tons per second, it offers outstanding bandwidth for demanding games, content creation, and multitasking, though reaching its maximum speed requires BIOS tuning and compatible hardware. The individually addressable RGB lighting adds vibrant, customizable effects through a sleek panoramic diffuser, enhancing the overall appearance of any modern setup. Onboard voltage regulation improves power delivery and stability during high-frequency operation, helping maintain reliable performance under heavy workloads. Support for both AMD Expo and Intel XMP profiles makes setup simple, allowing users to enable optimized memory settings with just a few clicks regardless of platform. With CL36 latency and compatibility across AMD 600-800 series and Intel 700-800 series motherboards, this kit offers impressive flexibility. Overall, it's a dependable DDR5 upgrade that combines strong performance, visual appeal, and overclocking potential for enthusiasts and gamers alike. Our third product is G.Skill Flare X5 Series DDR5 RAM. The G.Skill Flare X5 Series 32GB 2x16GB DDR5 memory kit is a strong choice for gamers, enthusiasts, and power users seeking fast, dependable system performance. Rated at DDR5-6000 with CL36 timings, it provides excellent bandwidth for gaming, video editing, streaming, and demanding multitasking while maintaining responsive performance. The kit includes both AMD Expo and Intel XMP 3.0 profiles, making it easy to achieve optimized speeds on compatible platforms with a simple BIOS setting. It also features a JEDEC default profile for broad compatibility at standard settings. Designed as a matched pair, the modules should be used together to ensure maximum stability and performance, as mixing memory kits can cause compatibility issues. Supporting a wide range of modern Intel and AMD chipsets, this memory offers excellent platform flexibility for new PC builds and upgrades. Overall, the Flare X5 combines reliable performance, easy tuning, and trusted G.Skill quality, making it an outstanding DDR5 upgrade for high-performance desktop systems. Now number 4, Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 RAM 32GB. This Corsair DDR5 RGB memory kit is built for enthusiasts who want premium performance, advanced customization, and striking aesthetics. Designed for the latest Intel DDR5 platforms, it delivers exceptional bandwidth and faster response times, making gaming, streaming, content creation, and multitasking noticeably smoother. While achieving the maximum rated speed requires BIOS configuration and compatible hardware, the kit offers excellent overclocking potential. Onboard voltage regulation enables more precise and stable tuning through Corsair ICUE software, giving users greater control than traditional motherboard-only adjustments. The standout feature is its 10-zone, individually addressable RGB LEDs per module, which produce vibrant, customizable lighting through a panoramic light bar visible from every angle. Custom Intel XMP 3.0 profiles allow users to save optimized settings for different applications or workloads, simplifying performance management. Combined with Corsair's reputation for reliability and high-quality components, this memory kit delivers an outstanding balance of speed, stability, overclocking flexibility, and eye-catching RGB design, making it an excellent upgrade for modern high-performance Intel gaming PCs. And our last choice is G.Skill Trident Z5 Neo RGB Series DDR5 RAM. The G.Skill Trident Z5 Neo RGB Series 32GB 2x16GB DDR5 memory kit is a premium choice for gamers, creators, and PC enthusiasts seeking high-speed performance with impressive RGB styling. Rated at DDR5-6000 with CL36 timings, it delivers excellent bandwidth and low latency, resulting in faster game loading, smoother multitasking, and improved productivity in demanding applications. Support for both AMD Expo and Intel XMP 3.0 profiles allows users to quickly enable optimized memory settings through the BIOS, while the JEDEC profile ensures reliable default compatibility. The sleek heat spreaders and vibrant RGB lighting add a premium aesthetic that complements modern gaming builds. Designed as a matched kit, the modules should always be used together to maintain maximum stability and performance. Broad compatibility with the latest Intel and AMD chipsets makes it a versatile option for new desktop builds and upgrades. Overall, the Trident Z5 Neo RGB combines exceptional speed, dependable stability, easy overclocking support, and stunning visual appeal, making it an outstanding DDR5 memory upgrade. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.